axes. So if you look up here, you can see these three lines. One goes up, Z or Z. One goes side to side, which is X, and one goes front and back, which is Y. They're essentially, it's like a giant Cartesian coordinate system, okay? And this is how we figure out space and where things are and where things need to be in a three-dimensional environment. So if you remember your high school math class, we had X and Y axis, okay? And these were, I'm going to go to top view. Here's your X axis, and then here's your Y axis, okay? And this works well for two-dimensional worlds. But in 3 dimensions, we have a third axis that goes up, and I'm going to scale my default cube along the Z axis here. So I'm going to hit S to scale, and then Z to lock in the Z, and that blue line, and now this goes up. So you can see we have 3 different directions we can move. We can go side to side along the X axis, we can go front or back along the Y axis, or we can go up or down along the Z axis. And these are your navigational beacons in the interface. So that's your Z axis, that's your Y axis, and here you can click, here's your Y axis, and now that's my main view. I'm looking down the Y axis, and you can see up here I have the X axis running side to side. If I click X axis, now I'm staring down the X axis. If I click Z axis, this is top view. I'm staring down the Z axis. I'm hitting numpad 1 to go back in front view. 3 axes, X, Y, and Z. So if you move something, and Blender, being great and powerful, can move stuff along those axes. So I'm going to G to grab this along the X axis. I'm moving it along the X axis. I'm going to escape out of that. G to grab it again along the Y axis. And I'm just moving it along the Y axis. It just locks it in. I'm going to escape out of that. I'm going to grab it along the Z axis, and I'm going to move it up and down along the Z axis. So if you need to move something along an axis, tell Blender the axis around which you wish to move, and then go from there. All right, so I hope that clears it up, and it's a nice little quick tip. Get back out there, keep making what you're making, and I'll see you in the next one.